Hey everyone, welcome to today's art video. So I'm working in my sketchbook today. I am determined to finish this pretty soon. I only have a couple of blank pages left. And actually, I think most of them are drawn on, but like most of the page is blank with like a tiny little sketch in the corner or something. So I want to finish up as much as I can. Normally I would call this sketchbook done, but I'm trying to be good and just fill it up completely. So today I am filling up one of the pages. I didn't really feel like drawing anything too like crazy, I guess. I've been having kind of a like rough mental day, I guess. So I just wanted to do something that I could just kind of like chill out and draw. So I ended up drawing a lot of hair. And actually I was kind of like joking to myself that this is like how I'm feeling mentally right now. Yeah, just a bit overwhelmed and feeling a bit like down on myself, I guess, if that makes sense. I guess doubting my capabilities or artistic abilities or abilities in general. There's been a tweet going around on Twitter that's like, it's 9 months into 2018, what have you accomplished this year? And it was like making me think like, oh shit, like I haven't accomplished anything. Or that's how I feel anyway. So it's been making me feel pretty poopy. But yeah, I already get a little bit stressed out coming up to October just because of the amount of work that I need to do. Even though this year it's not as bad because I'm trying to be very organized about it, and of course it's helping a lot, but I'm just getting too much in my head about things. But yeah, I don't really know if I want to keep talking about stuff in this video. I was debating just like not even doing any kind of voice recording, but yeah. So I'm just gonna let this video finish out. guys enjoyed today's video. Despite being kind of in a not so great mood, I kind of really like how it turned out. I feel like I feel slightly better after working on this. I guess like getting that out of my system. Maybe I need to do this kind of stuff more often. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video, and I'll see you guys later this week.